I'm trying to justify that to the extended family. Oh, no, I got herpes because she was using the gym equipment first, and then I sat where she sat. You see, that's what really happened here. Also, OP, your sister sounds like a real trash human being. She slept with her sister's ex-husband, and when she sleeps with someone, she doesn't warn them that she has an STD? Wow, that is truly trashy. Our next Reddit post is from James. Wow.
Just make sure I don't get, well actually, fuck it. I just don't want to get hit by a car. Ugh. If this would have been me and the boys coming this way, we would have been toast. Oh, you bitch. Ugh. Oh, probably not. We had a lot of room. All right, let's go. There's cars.
And first we started out real cool.
Oh, shit!
Молодец, старый. Я очень моя машина. Чуть-чуть подальше.
Benji's crying. Jodie Foster's on the phone. She wants to say a few words. Yes, Miss Foster.
I can't believe it. They
They finally impressed you. All right. Anyway, let me say this. I'll take a little break and then we'll wrap up the show.
At 27 at DMV window number 16.
Okay, Rose, we're second in line. Perfect, Rose. You remembered the birth certificate? Yes, and we have our electric bill. Excellent. We'll be Real ID ready in no time. Real ID ready to visit our grandson Ricky at Fort Bragg, then fly to New Orleans for Jazz Fest.
Pardon me, are you talking to yourself?
Oh, I'm sorry. I guess I am.
Talk yourself into Real ID readiness by May 3rd, 2020 at Geico.com today.
Now serving F27 at DMV window number 16.
Okay, Rose, we're second in line. Perfect, Rose. You remembered the birth certificate? Yes, and we have our electric bill. Excellent. We'll be Real ID ready in no time. Real ID.
What the fuck?
We're tough. She can beat a church. Right?
Yep.
You okay?
Yeah, I had a truck and trailer pull out in front of me, and then a truck and trailer pulling out from the...
You want to get your shit smashed, dude? I got 2 YouTube videos where I broke somebody's mirror. Why don't you carry on with your fucking day? Huh? Yeah. Carry on with your fucking day, sir. What's up, dude? Yeah. Yeah, I hope you have a good day. I don't fucking know you. I don't have any reason to not like you, dude. Go on with your day.
I will.
Please.
Okay.
Okay. Honestly, dude, if I could shake your hand, I would. Really, I have no problems with you, sir. I hope you have a lovely day. I really do.
I know I look like hell.
You look all right, bud. You look okay, dude. You're all right, man.
Maybe I just had to meet you for a minute.
There you go. There's too much bullshit going on. We just have to meet each other. You know what I mean? Well, I'm delivering to these people. I'm working.
All red. They call me the smoker.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right.